Tamakaze here with a video on our new Trade Copier Plus. So I want to go through a few things with you. First, how to add it. So you're going to go to Tools, you're going to go to Import, NinjaScript add-on. There's going to be two versions. One if you're on an old version of NinjaTrader, so 8.15 or before. That'll be our machine ID version, which we'll have to get from you. Or we have our automated licensing system on the newer versions. So you would just click that and open. Do not unzip it. Import the entire zip. And then once you do that, you'll restart your NinjaTrader so that the add-on gets added. And then to open the add-on, it'll be under New. And then it'll be under EZCOPYMONTH Trade Copier. That's then going to pop up a window that looks like this. Let's go ahead and delete a group so I can show you how to add a new group. So you have your account set up here. We're just going to do some sim accounts today. So let's do sim 101 as our main account, and let's do some slaves with 50, 100, 100K. Go ahead and add to a group. Now, this is where the cool part starts. So the master, I would recommend always being a sim account because all of the account controls are going to be on the slave accounts or sub accounts. So all of those are going to have their own individual settings. They also have risk guards and prop management tools. So a few things you can do is you can do different scaling. So if you wanted to do, say, one contract of EBNQ from, let's say you're trading NQ on your main and you only wanted to trade one micro. You could do that with our risk multiplier. Just do 0.1, do your symbol mapping. And then we also have our max loss and max profit on the day. So you could set that to however you want, and to enable it, you just click green. You can also set your daily breach lockout. So if you wanted to reset that after that, you can do that. We also have a full lockout mode down here. This will lock you out no matter what. So you will not be able to trade your account again if you do this. Even if you restart, close the copier, it fully locks your account for the day. Now, one of the other cool things we have is, let's say you want to trade long only for the day. This will block any short entries that you may accidentally take. So that way you're always hedging correctly or not hedging, for instance. We also have where this will block opposite trades on related instruments. This is important. A lot of prop firms have this rule. We also have where you can't trade minis and micros at the same time, single instrument, for instance. So if you hover above any of the filters, it'll explain what it does. We also have holding micro and minis at the same time. This is only so if single instrument would be if you only want to trade NQ, you can't trade more than one instrument. And then this will block trades that are in the opposite of your account. So this is important if you're algo trading. The short and long entries is more for manual trading, but all these tools can be used mix and match. So to enable it, just click the green button and you're good to go. And it will do everything that you want. So if we wanted to trade sim 101 over here, we just go to sim 101 and we could throw in a quick, looks like it's going down. We'll just piggyback off of that. So then we could show on the command center here in the positions, once this fills, you can see it filled all of the accounts, and plus it got one on the micro. So we had our full scaling there. Really nice mapping. Let's go ahead and close this trade. So you can see it closed all of the copy accounts as well. And that's our Trade Copier Plus. So really nice tool to have, especially if you're doing lots of prop accounts or mini prop accounts at one time. Has all the guards built in so you can't blow an account accidentally. Hope you guys enjoy it and have a great day.